Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. So today we are going to be talking about vision boards. Do you believe in vision boards? Have you ever created one? Well, I did for the year 2024, and what we're going to do is we're going to review my 2024 vision board and know exactly what turned out to be true and what not. So stay tuned, and if you're excited, please be there till the very end. Let me begin by showing you my vision board. So it's a lot. We are going to go through each image. Before we do that, I thought I'll just share with you what was the process behind making this vision board. So I was interested in the idea. I did it for the first time. What I started with is creating categories of what I want to focus on. One category being family, relationships. One category being my own self-care, self-growth. And also another category being my professional growth. So these were the three broad categories that I made, and within each category I listed down what exactly I want to focus on and searched for an image related to that particular topic or my area of focus. And when I found an image that spoke back to me, an image that I was able to instantly connect with, I chose that image for my vision board. So let's just go through the series of images for each of my categories and let's see whether they actually turned out to be true or no. Okay, let's begin by reviewing this section. So this one focuses mainly on family. This one being a picture of a family at a beach, which did happen. We did take a trip to a beach resort. So we did spend time just the way it is in this image. This one out here is the family just chilling at home and watching a movie, which we did quite a lot of times in the year 2024. We dedicated certain weekends for movie nights, and that definitely happened. This one out here was spending more quality time with my daughters, praying with them, studying with them, also loving and pampering them like crazy, which happened, and I intend on continuing with this in the new year as well. This one here was just a picture of two lovers sitting alone and sipping on a glass of wine, which definitely happened. Me and my husband were able to spend such moments alone and basically create this kind of a moment. Then moving on to this side, which was focused on my own self-care, self-growth. This one being workouts at home, which didn't happen. I didn't work out at home, but I intend on doing this in the new year 2025. I've already started with it, and I hope to stay consistent on it. Then this one is taking care of my skin. So I did spend some time creating home remedies, basically rice water and just moving a bar of ice on your face when you wake up. A lot of things around skincare, applying a nighttime cream. I wasn't consistent though, but I did give it a try. This one was improving my hair texture, which I definitely did in 2024. My hair is originally very curly, but I wanted to go for a more straight, more sleek look, so I did this. This one was focusing on healthy teeth. So I did have a lot of dental problems, and I ended up visiting a dentist to fix those problems because I was planning a trip with the family and I didn't want any issues on the trip. So just because of that, I just wanted to be careful health wise. So that led me to go to a dentist, but in a way it also turned out to be true. Work hard so you can shop harder. I did do a lot of shopping, specifically the kind of clothing that I can wear for office, focusing on a capsule wardrobe. So there's a picture of that as well here related to shopping, and I was able to create this. So what's a capsule wardrobe? It's basically having clothes in your closet which you can mix and match, basically neutral colors and colors that you can play with. So say you have a black trousers, you can always pair it up with a beige top, you can always pair it up with a red top, you can pair it up with a blue top. So you have this one trouser, but then you can pair it up multiple and style it multiple ways. So yes, I was able to create a good capsule wardrobe for me, invest in good footwear. So that did happen. This picture was just out of random. There was no plans to take flights and travel anywhere. So this is a picture of a girl just happy that she's going to take a flight or probably have taken a flight. I just loved the experience of flying, so which is why I put this. It just spoke back to me, but this is super strange because what happened is I made this vision board in the beginning of the year, right? So in the month of Jan, and in the month of March there was this plan that got cooking within the family that we are going to have a grand family reunion in the month of October. So I ended up flying through an airplane for that family trip, and that did happen. So that one was super crazy. It wasn't intentional, it was just random, and it did turned out to be true. Okay, moving on to more of self-development, professional related growth. So this one here is of a female being very focused. I wanted to start doing some sort of certification. So this is basically an image where she is really focused in trying to study, which is something that I did try to pursue, but unfortunately I couldn't continue or complete it in last year. So that's definitely one regret for 2024. But I am restarting now in 2025, and I intend on completing my course by the end of the first half of the year. So hopefully that happens. Moving on to this side more, this is a picture of a girl watching a letter and being excited. So what I did was I tried to vision myself as basically moving up the career ladder. There's also another image that relates to it, and basically this is a letter that's just letting me know that I have been promoted to the next level. And this is super strange because I did get promoted in the year 2024 towards the end of the year, and this was something that I thought of in the beginning of the year. So I had no intentions, I didn't know this will happen. I just manifested it, I worked towards it. Obviously it just aligned well, and I did get promoted. So I did move up the career ladder, and this definitely turned out to be true. There's this image of a girl peacefully sleeping. So I've always lacked a lot of sleep in my schedule, and I've always wanted to cover up on sleep. That is one aspect that I want to work on. So what I did was I had taken a lot of outings. There was a lot of travel involved in 2024. So whenever I did travel to other places, I made it a point that I just rest peacefully and use the time for myself in ensuring that I get enough sleep. So that as well did happen. In bits, alright, it wasn't part of my schedule, but I tried to do it wherever possible. And this last one says Lady Boss, which definitely happened through the promotion that I secured last year. So a lot of things actually turned out to be true, right? I mean, it's crazy how certain things were just out of the random and it did turn out to be true. I am very happy with this vision board, and I'm going to cherish this because it was my first ever vision board. What I'm going to do now is, after this video, I'm going to be working on my 2025 vision board. So if you have stayed with me till here, and if you found this interesting, do let me know in the comments. Would you be interested in making a vision board for yourself? Do you believe in vision boards? Will you now believe in vision boards, probably after watching my video? And do let me know your thoughts. Do share what you think, and I'll see you soon on my next video. Thank you so much. Bye.